My name is Sarah Bitzer. I work with Coldwell Banker Apex here in Dallas-Fort Worth. Well, RepairPricer.com has really made my job easier. And once we get under contract, you want to make sure that the buyer's really asking for the biggest priority in terms of repairs, because we don't want to, lose the deal over the actual repair negotiation. So RepairPricer.com's report has helped my clients prioritize the biggest cost items in terms of what they need to ask the seller for. RepairPricer.com has actually made the negotiation process smoother, and it's made it easier for me to keep a deal together. Before I started using RepairPricer.com, I will call up to 3 different contractors to get quotes. And what's frustrating is a lot of contractors, for example, an electrical contractor, won't give you a price over the phone. They want to actually go to the house and inspect it. So it's really time consuming, and when we're under an option period, it's prohibitive. And then we're kind of making an uneducated guess on what the cost of the repair may actually be. When I use RepairPricer.com, I can say it easily saves me hours worth of work. So we move a lot faster, we get through the option period faster, and then the transaction moves into the pending phase a lot smoother and quicker. I would say, for me, negotiating repairs is actually one of the most stressful parts of my job. And RepairPricer takes that stress away because you can look at the report and confidently tell your buyer, this is what is important, this is what the cost is going to be, and that just makes the whole process a lot smoother and also takes the stress away. So it's a great tool. I highly recommend it for other agents and buyers.